Well, you gotta have some Greek dancing. We got our headgear on now for the aprons.
Pie with homemade filo. We make stuffed tomatoes with rice and herbs also. We make fish stuffed with lemon and oregano and baklava. You don't have any allergy or food disease? No. Okay. That the grandmothers wear it because to be inside from the sun, from the sweating, and from the hairs. We don't.
She asked us all to have a shot.
Distillate and then make that drink. Normally it's 27%. But yes, but this is only 17 for us. And then
Only.
we're going to drink like
Everybody got a shot of Suma.
yes, Switzerland, yes. You know, we are very nice mix like us. I'm from Greece, from Paros.
This is
Paros
Maria.
from Paros, Abdul is from Bangladesh.
Naxos is cheaper. What was your name?
Haley.
Haley.
What's your name?
Jenny. Hey, we did a great job on the lettuce.
Well,
Doing a great job.
okay, so I'll come.
That is the stuffed tomatoes.
No problem. You can empty here. Okay.
Παράξενο, δεν είναι? What a wonderful experience.
It's a hot sauce. We end inside the tomato, it's empty tomato with little salt and sugar. Okay? And then we prepare the juice of the tomatoes bring out. We put it with potatoes. Some parsley, garlic, and a little bit olive oil. Okay? Έβαλες σαλάτι πιπέρι. Sometimes somebody else put something and then we put the salt. That's why I tasted before.
Always taste the lesson here. Always taste your food.
Cooks lot of problems sometimes. Okay. And now, Noah, please take care because it's hot. It's like the stuffed vine leaves.
Yeah.
The same quality.
Yep.
Natural rice, yes. Then
Then put the tomatoes in as well as the tomato juices in.
tomato juice and some of the tomatoes we bring it from inside.
Oh, you cooked it.
Then put the water in, right?
No, we put first some zucchini.
Oh yeah, zucchini and eggplant.
And eggplant, zucchini and eggplant inside, yes. We put some parsley and mint,
Yep.
salt and pepper. Okay? Okay, like that, please. And you close it, okay? Please.
That's it. Oh,
Mint, salt, pepper, oregano.
okay, so the potatoes were sitting in the water.
Αυτό είναι το ζουμί από την ντομάτα.
Το ζουμί από την ντομάτα. Αυτό κάθονταν οι πατάτες. Okay, so the potatoes were sitting in the juice from the tomatoes. Then he puts the tomatoes in there, and then the juice go on top of it.
Not wasting anything.
So there's juice from the tomatoes and also mint.
Okay, and then they
Good to
Okay, we
know.
are baking the stuffed tomatoes for 1 hour. Yes.
And it needs to be covered. There we go.
Any question for the stuffed tomatoes? 100 kinds of potatoes and 100 kinds of tomatoes. Here we have only one or two. Sorry? Yes. Okay, all the vegetables which I use for my cooking class is from here. And
Green onions?
Yes, scallions. Yes, scallions and green onions. Here, it's raisins.
Peanut gallery.
Raisins. Is that optional? Do you have to put raisins in it, Maria?
You can do it how you want.
Okay.
I keep it on the recipe, which this is the recipe of the mother of my grandmother.
Okay.
That means you, of course, you can.
I hear you.
You can do it.
Όπως το έκανε η μάνα σου.
Ναι, όπως το έκανε η δικιά σου μαμά. Okay. This is that walnuts. Inside. Okay. I would like now. Can I help you? I would like to put with the meat leaf by leaf. Because with the hand. Okay, please.
This is spearmint.
Yes. No cut it, no stamp. I tell you why. Because if you don't cut, if you do it like this, the meat, you have all the smell inside of your food. Okay.
Fresh oregano.
I put a lot of tomatoes.
No juice.
Tomatoes with no juice.
Put some capers.
Oh.
I keep the peppers in a little bit salt and water, just because we keep like that in life, not dry. That's why always, if
Do you grow any capers around here?
we collect in the fields, oregano, capers, it's not around in Paros.
So you collect the capers in April. Okay. Did not know that.
I can find a lady. It looks delicious. Lady, you can.
Guys, sorry.
Okay.
Red wine vinegar.
I like it not so. Can I have you, please? Because you touch your telephone, can you wash first?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so this is couscous salad.
Not enough salt, huh?
Yes.
It's delicious.
Absolutely.